Some showers out there could last into tonight and Saturday across the valley, so kind of keep an eye on things. May get a little rain at times, not very much heavy rain, but there are a few heavy showers around Brownsville now. Most of the time, kind of just cloudy out there tonight and at least through about midday Saturday. Temperatures, again, cooler tonight and somewhat cool on Saturday, but warm everywhere on Sunday. Back in the 80s likely across the valley, and could even get warmer than that early next week. May have a day or two when it's up around 90 degrees by either Monday or Tuesday. So, yeah, it's not winter really, even though it is winter. It's not feeling much like winter. A little cooler today, though, thanks to the clouds and a weak cold front has gone through. Most of the valley's been dry or has had a little bit of drizzle, but you see a few showers starting to build up and move westward across Cameron County. None of these north of Brownsville really that heavy, but you get a few heavier showers that are popping up and moving west across Brownsville right now. So you can see some of the yellows and reds there, just about ready to go back into Mexico, but some brief heavy showers moving west near the south side of Brownsville and near the university over towards South Point, all that moving along at about 10 miles per hour. And some of the rainfall rates in the heaviest of showers coming down at over an inch per hour. So if that rain sat on you for an hour, you would get, as this shows, about 1.44 inches of rain. But it's moving along quickly enough that you should see much less than that. But a quick heavy downpour is likely between now and about 5 o'clock in southern Cameron County. Otherwise, temperatures in the 60s and near 70. We're at 63 in Weslaco, 70 in Raymondville, 65 in Harlingen, 70 in Port Isabel. So 60s and 70s, but cooler than it has been most days lately. A cold front has gone through. The winds have shifted toward the northeast, but not a strong front and not a strong wind. Wind speeds about 15 to 20 miles per hour in spots, and we'll see temperatures just kind of cool off a little bit more this evening. So most of the evening cloudy, but there will occasionally be a couple showers or maybe a little light rain or drizzle popping up at times through the evening and nighttime, with temperatures slowly falling through the 60s. Some spots, especially the farther west you are in Starr County and western Hidalgo County, might reach the upper 50s late tonight. You can kind of see the front right there moving on through the front edge of the clouds there, kind of go down then into Mexico. So the front's moving through with the cooler and cloudier weather behind it. Future track, just to give you an idea what we have for tonight, late tonight, temperatures still in the 60s. And again, some areas may get down to the upper 50s for a while. This model may be a little bit warmer than that, but you can kind of see tomorrow as well. The farther east you are, the better chance you have to be a little warmer. Farther west you are in Starr County, should be a little cooler, but 9 a.m. temperatures mostly in the 60s or lower 70s, and by afternoon you see the warmest of temperatures in the mid and lower valley could reach the 70s, but stay in the 60s maybe across Starr County as the winds try to turn more toward the southeast by afternoon. So if they're able to turn, we can get the temperatures back up into the 70s. If they don't turn where you are, you may be stuck kind of in the upper 60s tomorrow, but then it warms up everywhere on Sunday. As far as rain goes, not looking for widespread heavy rain, but you see future track does have clouds and on and off sprinkles and light rain showers all through this evening and tonight, even tomorrow morning at 6 a.m. Tomorrow during the day, it starts to fade away more and more, but still a couple sprinkles maybe hanging around by afternoon. And finally, everything clears out tomorrow night as far as rain goes. And I think Sunday may start off with clouds or even some patchy fog in the morning, but then temperatures warm back up pretty quickly into the 80s most everywhere, except for maybe right at the coast. And then we continue that warming trend for a couple more days. So your first 7-day forecast. Still a little cool tonight and tomorrow morning, but you see temperatures go back up to about 75 tomorrow afternoon. Again, that may be a little cooler in Starr County and maybe a couple degrees warmer in the lower valley, but mostly in the 70s tomorrow. Sunday, it gets warmer and partly sunny. It could be a little breezy in the afternoon, highs near 83. Monday, even warmer. Tuesday, is that warm or hot? I think when you cross 90 in February, it might be borderline hot there for Tuesday. Sunshine. We could see temperatures near some record highs Tuesday. Wednesday's kind of an iffy day. Some of the models have the wind shifting around with a weak front in the area, so maybe a few degrees cooler, but after Wednesday we could cool off a little bit more Thursday and Friday. But there are no big blasts of cold air coming. We're not going to see one of those days where it's only like 45 degrees all day or anything anytime soon.
So we might be able to put those big jackets away then? Is that what you're saying?
Yeah, you may well, get them out of the way for a while. I mean, we still have like 6 more weeks of winter, but it's not looking like much cold weather right now.
Just more up and down, up and down.
Yeah, mostly up these days.
Yeah. All right. Thanks a lot.